Hello everyone, welcome back to the train room and welcome back for an update in September 2023. I had another break in as much as I was away working in Germany for the past week or two, but I just thought I'd do a quick video now to sort of get back to a normal routine now that for me the academic year has started again, just to try and get some updates out to you on a semi-regular basis at least. So here's a new toy that I picked up in the last couple of weeks. It's a Dapol motorized track cleaner, and it's actually fitted with a DCC chip. I got it second-hand from Rails of Sheffield, and if you've not seen one before, the reason why some people say it's worth a try is because the DCC function in the cleaner has got nothing to do with this unit being powered in the sense of being able to propel itself, but rather that it has a number of functions built into it which help you to maintain your track. Nobody likes keeping their track clean particularly, and what this little model does is, first of all, has a little vacuum cleaner attachment which can pick up loose pieces of ballast or other debris that might otherwise get caught up in the mechanism of your loco. You can switch out this unit for a number of different pads, one that kind of buffs and one that's more of a gentle abrasive pad. And the idea with those is you can take out the vacuum fitting here using this little gadget here, which just clips in, pulls the vacuum out, put instead your abrasive pad, and if you fill this little reservoir with the track cleaning fluid of your choice, then that also just lubricates your track with your track cleaning fluid. So let's put this on the track, drag it around a few times with the different functions, and we'll just see how it gets on. Alright, so with the track cleaning unit now on the layout properly, we'll have it run round a couple of times. The DCC chip just has a default address of 3. You use the speed setting on your controller to power the vacuum unit, and probably as we watch it just trundling around, you might just be able to hear the sound of the unit sucking things up. Alright, so the units run round 2 or 3 times on each track. Let's just open it up and see how much debris the units managed to pick up. And goodness me, look at that, there is actually quite a lot of debris collected in the hopper there. You can see bits of grass, static grass and flock, certainly some bits of ballast. That I think we can call an unqualified success. Now what we can do is swap out the vacuum unit, the vacuum attachment, for the abrasive pad, and we're just going to add a few drops of my track cleaning fluid of choice. I've been using this stuff, Track Magic, for a couple of years now, usually no more than about once a month. I'm quite lucky that my track doesn't seem to get terribly dirty. So we'll put it into the hopper element, the reservoir of the track cleaning unit, and then we'll run things around again. So again, now that the unit is being hauled around the layout, you can probably hear the motor driving the abrasive pad. But I have to admit that, as I'd heard some other people reporting too, the abrasive pad didn't cope all that well with my track work. It quite often got stuck on turnouts in particular. But I realised that actually I don't use an abrasive rubber to clean my track at all, and so I took that element off and just carried on running the unit around the layout with Track Magic in the fluid reservoir, and that slowly trickles into a little rubber pad, felt pad on the bottom of the unit, and has the same effect of just distributing a very, very thin layer of the Track Magic and applying a bit of rubbing effect, I suppose, all the way around the layout. So there we go. It's taken me no more than 15 or 20 minutes, probably about the same amount of time as I would normally have taken to apply some track cleaning fluid around the layout. But of course what this unit has done is has vacuumed up lots and lots of debris, something I've never really done particularly consistently before, as well as then put down a good layer of the Track Magic. So my verdict is really very positive, I have to say. Stay tuned. I'll let you know as the months tick around whether in fact it's proved to be as good a purchase as it seems right now. All right, so let's just have a look at one more thing before we close for the update, and that is to show you a little bit more progress on the new flyover for our Cosa lightweight here. You can see now that much more of the detailing has been completed. We've got some crash barriers in place now. I 3D printed, if I just come round in front of the camera a moment, the side concrete crash barriers, I guess you would still call them, but the much more solid concrete ones on the edge of the bridge deck itself. Added some more of the road markings and done a little bit more on the grassy embankment. Still plenty to do, not least because at the back there you can see I've actually got to fix the actual bridge supports into place now and complete some more landscaping around there. But I think I've got the flyover now to the point where I'm happy to move on to other projects for a little while before coming back to it maybe later in the winter time. So yeah, that's quite nice. But that's all I've got for just the moment. So thanks as ever. I hope that if you are new to my channel, you're liking what you're seeing. Please do continue to give me thumbs up. Really appreciate that support and the comments and feedback that people are giving me over the course of the weeks and months now. But that's it. I'll finish for now. We'll let the BNSF coal train heading east towards Denver and out into the big wide world, as it were. We'll let that roll through one more time, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye bye, take care, and thanks again.